Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and today I would like to share with you my views on having one real hero in your life. A real magic is what I call that hero as. A magic in your life. I remember in 2021, I had COVID, and immediately after recovering from COVID, after quite a long time, I got to know about the Mind Valley's 3-day annual session, you call it. I don't clearly remember the name of the program, but it was of 3 days, right? In Indian Standard Time, it happens from 7:30 p.m. till 2:30 a.m. And immediately after getting up from COVID, I attended the sessions, all 3 days. And in one of those sessions, I remember quite clearly even today, Vishen mentioned about when is a marriage a healthy one. And he specifically mentioned that if you are growing together, and in growing together, it literally means growing on personal front together. And as long as two individuals are growing in the personal space, a relationship will sustain. Because people perceive that if you are in a relationship, if you are married, that is the only important thing in your life. Trust me, friends, if you are not valuing yourself, if you are not growing individually, if you don't give a personal time, a personal space to you, when you don't have anything within you, what can you give? What can you contribute to that relationship? Nothing. It's nothing. Zero. So having this thinking that if let's say I'm in a relationship, I have to solely give everything to that relationship, irrespective of if I am growing personally or not. That's a lie. That's a trap. That's a sure shot way for you to carry on all the regrets in your life, And one important message I would like to share with you all is, have failures in life. Embrace those failures. Embrace the learnings. But never ever allow yourself to have regrets in your life. That's deadly. Never ever allow that. So when Vishen mentioned this about having a mentor in your life, for you to grow on a different scale, in your life, with the mentor, with the kind of hand holding, with the kind of guidance that mentor gives you. It's so very critical, it's so very crucial for you to always chase that personal growth. Professional growth will only happen if you are growing personally, individually. Right? And that was the very first moment I could relate to when it comes to me committing myself to be a lifelong learner. For me to help and to impact the world with my authentic work, and at the same point of time, having someone whom I can call a mentor and seeking all the guidance from him or her for the holistic development of my own self. Because like Oprah Winfrey also says, if you have your cup overflowing, only then you can give something to the society. I am committed to give. But it can only happen if my cup is overflowing. So you have to have the right mentorship from someone and then be the right mentor to someone. And it's a process, it's a cycle. You are helping someone and you are taking help from someone as well. So, a quick way for you to understand why you need a hero, why you need a magic, why you need a mentor in your life. Understand, if you are someone, and only if you are someone who wants to do something great in life, you have that inner calling within you, then you definitely need a mentor, because a mentor enlightens your path to greatness. He or she can be a guiding star on your journey to self-improvement. We all have self-doubts, but he is the one who empowers us to conquer fears, break barriers, and overcome challenges. And most importantly, help us become aware of who we really are. A mentor makes us believe in our own limitless potential. They're the strongest pillar of support that inspire us to transform lives with our authentic work and make real impact in the world, and help us unlock our true potential. Trust me when I say, a mentor is a hero who shows us our hidden heroism to us and handhold us in our journey of becoming the best version of ourselves. Or, in my words, like I always say, becoming the next better version of myself. Becoming the next better version of yourself. So, with this, it's a wrap for today. Hope you have enjoyed the session, the entire episode of the podcast. Do connect with me on LinkedIn. I always share the LinkedIn link in the description. Do connect, DM me, and I would love to hear your feedback and your insights, and would like to have a great discussion on any topic I have discussed so far, and I'm looking forward to it. With this, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.